Rob, congratulations, your new RSR, your new old RSR. It was getting washed and prepped for final delivery. You're going to enjoy it. I have certainly enjoyed it. And we're going to show you the cold start versus hot start. So come on. So it hasn't started for a few days. You're going to lift the mechanical injection throttle and just crank. As you can see, it's going to over rev immediately, and you will just lower it down to a nice little idle to where you can get on the road and warm it up while driving, because it's the best way to warm anything up. Sometimes with the hot start on very hot days, you may have to add a little bit of throttle because the engine will heat soak, but it will fire right up, and if you need be, you know where to find me. As far as the gearbox goes, it is a 915 transmission. Those who know how to shift them well. As you can see, second gear is just fine, but they don't like to be rushed. Third gear, second gear. If you think you're power shifting it, you're going to break it. So just remember to be gentle with it and count 1, 2 between shifts. So first, second. You will not have a problem at all, as I never have. I like to double clutch on the downshift, but everything should be self-explanatory here. Again, you don't have a heater, you have defrost, you have my number, and you know how to find me. We're going to go and put some fuel in it, and then clean it up, and have it ready to go on the transporter and bring to you so that you can use and enjoy it as I have. So, enjoy.